Alright, so this morning I'm gonna go to one of my buddy's house, Levi. He's had about 20 or 30 geese landing in the field behind his house. It was a dove field that they planted in millet, but now there's a group of about 20-30 geese coming in there. So it's gonna be me, Levi, and maybe Justin. I don't know if Justin's gonna get up or not, but we got Tough with us, the dog, and I'm pulling up to my brother's house right now to go ride with him over there. But I'll holler at you when we're putting out the decoys.
Stoker M something.
Is that your name and occupation?
Justin Eubanks. For geese hunting. That's it.
What about you, Pete? Name and occupation?
He stole my name. I don't know, bro. Levi, Goose Master Drake. Hit Larry.
He ain't got a name. He ain't got no occupation.
I'm blind and on camera. All right, let's go.
Tough.
You ready to go?
If they fly over, we need to shoot them. Come on. If they fly over, we need to shoot them.
No. Oh, they're landing. Oh, he's going down. Come on, lady. Take your dumb ass down. I hit that one right there.
I really did get one. Hey, give me shit. Get the fuck. I ain't gonna be able to video if they come back. I ain't gonna be able to video if they come back.
There's three.
There's two.
There.
There's three.
I killed one, I think. Chubb killed one.
I think I really did get one. Hey, give me shit.
Get the fuck out.
See it. I ain't gonna be able to video if they come back. See it.
Okay, fine, who gives a shit?
Behind us.
I know, don't look.
If I ever shoot them, no.
Damn tough. They leaving?
No. Where they at?
Behind the pond. If they hit that pond, I'm going down there and jump shooting.
That's what it looks like.
They're going down. Yeah, three motherfuckers said they weren't coming.
What you think about that, Chubbs?
They came.
What you think, Bo? That was pretty fun. Let's run out here.
Pick them up.
Here we go. That's one. They're small geese.
Back. Here, fetch them up. Fetch them up. Here. I thought the damn dog and won't even pick up a goose.
No bands. This is the one. Nope. Well, hey, we got some. What you think about that, Pete?
Sound good, son.
What you think about that, Chubbs?
Fetch them up. Fetch. No, we'll probably go jump. Fetch. Tough. Here.
That was pretty fun. I mean, we didn't have the best shooting by any means.
3?
Yeah, we only killed 3 out of the whole group. That was
Done yet? What are you waiting on?
that was not good.
They didn't go down.
So, but that's better than sleeping in this morning for me.
Yeah, I'm about to say
What
that.
you think?
I think we got up too damn early.
I think this one's about to fall.
Yeah, somebody ring his neck.
Sergi, tough here. Sergi, come here. I'm gonna put Sergi in this picture that's going around. Now, Sergi, get your ass on this goose. Hey.
Make them pump it.
So we killed 3.
Sergi!
It's horrible.
Sergi!
Can't shoot.
He'll be all
What you think, Justin? Give a hunt rundown. How's the hunt this morning?
Shot 3 times. Hit nothing.
Give us a hunt rundown, Levi.
right.
What you think?
Tough here.
What you think?
I need to put
All right, you're too good. But yeah.